Welcome to my channel where we talk about all things related to personal finance, wealth creation, and success. In this video, we will be discussing the book, How Rich People Think, by Steve Siebold. This book provides insights into the mindset of wealthy individuals and how they think about money, success, and life. By understanding the thought process of successful people, we can adopt some of their habits and achieve our own financial goals. The difference between how the rich and the poor think. The author explains that the biggest difference between the rich and the poor is their mindset. The wealthy tend to think big, take calculated risks, and are not afraid to fail. On the other hand, the poor tend to focus on short-term gains, are risk-averse, and are often too afraid to take action. The importance of taking action. The author emphasizes that the rich are not afraid to take action and make bold moves. They understand that success comes from taking calculated risks and being willing to fail. In contrast, the poor often hesitate and miss out on opportunities because they are too afraid to take action. The power of positive thinking. The author explains that successful people tend to have a positive mindset and believe that they can achieve anything they set their minds to. They focus on their goals and work hard to achieve them. In contrast, the poor tend to have a negative mindset and often focus on their failures, which can hold them back from achieving their goals. The importance of lifelong learning. The author emphasizes the importance of continuous learning and self-improvement. Successful people are always looking to learn new skills and acquire knowledge that can help them achieve their goals. In contrast, the poor tend to be complacent and often do not invest in their own personal growth. The importance of networking. The author explains that successful people tend to have a wide network of contacts and connections that they can leverage for opportunities. Networking can help individuals learn new things, get new clients, and find new opportunities. In contrast, the poor tend to have a narrow network and often miss out on opportunities that come from having a wider circle of connections. The value of time. The author emphasizes that successful people value their time and use it wisely. They understand that time is a limited resource and prioritize their activities accordingly. In contrast, the poor often waste their time on non-productive activities and miss out on opportunities to achieve their goals. The importance of setting goals. The author explains that successful people tend to set clear and specific goals for themselves. They know what they want to achieve and create a plan to achieve it. In contrast, the poor often have vague goals and do not have a plan to achieve them. The importance of taking responsibility for your life. The author emphasizes the importance of taking responsibility for your own life and not blaming others for your failures. Successful people understand that they are in control of their own lives and take ownership of their actions. In contrast, the poor often blame others for their failures and do not take responsibility for their own lives. The importance of money management. The author explains that successful people tend to manage their money wisely and prioritize their expenses. They understand that money is a tool to achieve their goals and use it wisely. In contrast, the poor often mismanage their money and spend it on non-essential items. The importance of persistence. The author emphasizes that successful people are persistent and do not give up easily. They understand that achieving their goals may require hard work and perseverance. In contrast, the poor often give up too easily and do not have the persistence needed to achieve their goals. The power of taking calculated risks. Rich people are not afraid of taking calculated risks, and they often see risks as opportunities for growth and potential rewards. They do their homework, evaluate the risks, and make informed decisions based on that analysis. They are not reckless, but they understand that to achieve great success, some level of risk is often necessary. They don't let fear hold them back, and instead, they embrace new opportunities and are willing to step outside of their comfort zones. The importance of a positive mindset. Finally, the way rich people think is characterized by a positive mindset. They believe in themselves, their abilities, and their potential for success. They have a can-do attitude and don't let setbacks or failures deter them from their goals. They see challenges as opportunities to learn and grow and view success as something that is within their control. They surround themselves with positive influences and choose to focus on the good in life rather than dwelling on the negative. In conclusion, the way rich people think is often a critical factor in their financial success. By adopting their mindset and habits, you too can achieve your financial goals. Start by setting clear goals, living below your means, focusing on continuous learning and improvement, seeking out mentors, and embracing calculated risks. Remember that a positive mindset and a willingness to step outside of your comfort zone can make all the difference in achieving financial success. I hope you found this summary of How Rich People Think insightful and useful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and click the bell icon to be notified when I post new content. Also, I would love to hear your thoughts on this topic, so please leave a comment below with your feedback or questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.